In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move a chart to another sheet in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Charts are linked to your data, but you can move them anywhere in your spreadsheet to keep things organized, like placing them on a dashboard or summary sheet. Now, if you want to move a chart, here's what to do. Click on the chart you want to move so it gets selected. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or Command+C on Mac to copy the chart. You can also click the three dots on the chart and choose Copy Chart. Next, go to the sheet where you want the chart to appear. Click on any empty space, then press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste the chart. Your chart will now appear in the new sheet. You can click and drag it to reposition or resize it as needed. That's it. Moving charts in Google Sheets helps you organize your data better and create cleaner, more professional dashboards.